I am local. My name Shokhkal. I want job. How much? Salary? You give. Tamil?
Stop getting the wrong advice. Want a job in the Middle East? Contact Loy Macedo.
Hello. How are you guys? If you follow my channel, you must have noticed for 2-3 days there was no video. Well, there was no video because something happened. What happened? I got completely, burnt out, completely destroyed, completely, mentally, emotionally, and even physically. It was so bad. Like I would get up, sit, and after some time go back to sleep. Get up, sit, look at the computer, type something like a zombie, go back to sleep. You'll not believe my energy would last for 1 hour, 2 hours, max 3 hours, and then I would go back to sleep. My wife literally was like, "What's happening? You're just sleeping and sleeping and sleeping," because I was in bad state. In fact, it became so bad that I couldn't even eat food. I'm not joking. I couldn't eat food. I just didn't want to eat. I just didn't want to eat food. I was not eating food. My wife was saying, "Eat something. Just eat one orange and go back to sleep." And when they say your mental problems manifest itself into physical problems, well, my legs were numb. I was feeling like, like you get this ant, like 100 ants are walking. My feet it felt like that. It was painful to walk. My knees, my joints, my hips, my lower back. My energy levels were bad. I was not breathing proper. I was just like a zombie sitting there, tired. I was in a bad, foul mood. I was not talking to my wife. Even when doing my exercise, I was just wobbling. And this went on for almost, I think, a week, man. I was in bad state. Bad state. And if you know me, I don't like to share my problems. You fight it out alone. That's how life is. You fight it out alone. Only my wife knew, and she was worried. In fact, I would ask my wife to massage my feet. And as she was massaged, I would just knock out. I would just go off to sleep, snoring, It was bad. For the last week, I've been struggling. And I think the last 3 days, it was so bad, I decided I need to take a break. And that's why, even though there were clients, even though existing clients and new clients and all that, I didn't accept any. I was completely destroyed, completely. Yesterday, finally, after 2 days of just, putting a post here and there, just a JPEG image or, that funny video that I put up. I decided yesterday, okay, I'll take my wife and just go out. Went out to visit different parts of the island, just to do something new, nothing in particular. I'll be sharing the videos. I went to a snake farm, which was a complete flop show anyway. There's no customer there, nothing. It is completely decimated. Then we went to eat outside, something different. And I just came back really tired, okay? And I finally went to sleep again, twice. Completed a podcast interview, then again felt tired, went to sleep. And today when I woke up in the morning, my energy levels are coming back. I'm feeling like, yeah. Oh, it was a bad 1 week, man. Bad. Especially last 3 days. Terrible, absolutely terrible. It's not about so dangerous, man. So you can see, so dangerous. Coconuts can just fall, Whoa, something is falling. There have been trees uprooted and all that stuff. Anyway, so what I was saying was, it was really bad. It was really bad for me. It's not the bad comments, or it's just work. People can troll me, they can abuse me, it doesn't matter. It's just work. working with a client is tough because it just saps off all my energy. And my YouTube, it doesn't feed me as such. My YouTube channel, the videos, nobody pays me any money. I do it because I love it and it helps people. So it's not charity, it's a brand building exercise, like I tell you. But there's only so much you can take, So I fought through it and feeling much better now. Feeling much better. Seriously, I'm feeling, it's like just back, with that energy, with that for I would say for nearly I think 2 weeks or something, my energy levels were going down, and then I think the last 10 days to a week it was declining rapidly. Last 1 week became very tough, and last 3 days it's like, fuck, I can't do this. I just can't do this. Customers with money, they are ready to confirm and pay, and I didn't bother. I said no to a VIP client. I told him, I told him, right now I'm not in the frame of mind. He said, I'll cancel the order. I said, yeah, go ahead and cancel the order. I don't give a damn. I said no to another 4-5 clients. Plenty of people from Emirates, which I'll be speaking about later. Fuck, it was crazy, man. Anyway, just want to tell you that I'm back. You'll see lots of videos coming up. Lots. I have so many pending videos. So get ready for a tsunami of videos. So anyway, I'm back, and I thought you guys should know this. For whomsoever were my well wishes, thank you. For whomsoever support me. Well, let's get our videos back. You guys take care. Let me know your thoughts, your comments. Me signing off. Bye.
I am local. My name Shohkal. I want job. How much? Salary? You give. Tamil?
Stop getting the wrong advice. Want a job in the Middle East? Contact Loy Macedo.